Here I have ULEFONE Armor X7 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to record screen on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button Screen Recorder. So by tap on it once you can summon this kind of recorder. Here you can switch microphone, here you can switch touches on the screen. You can start recording by tapping here. So as you can see, now it's on. You can pause it here too. So when you're done recording, you can find your recordings in Photos. And here it is. From here you can share, edit or delete your recording and perform other actions from this list like this. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.